We are still here. Hi.
Hi.
How are you guys?
Still alive.
Still with BPEC. Giving applause first. Okay, thank you. Still the same outfit, blue.
Blue. Yes, blue.
Okay. Anyway, our topic this evening is life is a legacy. Wow, this is a very interesting and this is the highest life in our life. Anyway, I want to ask you about our topic this evening. In your perspective about our topic this evening, what do you think about this topic?
Okay. Okay, for the legacy. In my opinion about this topic tonight is something like art. What after have you do in the past and will be memories until now. But simple things is every Monday, I mean Senin, you
Yeah.
always song the national song Indonesia.
National anthem.
National anthem. I'm
Mhm,
sorry,
mhm, mhm.
national anthem. That is will be created by W.F. Supratman.
Okay.
That is the legacy will
Uh,
be remember until now.
uh,
That's
who's the great?
W.F. Supratman.
Where's Supratman? Wage Rudolf.
Yeah.
Wage Rudolf Supratman, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Good point. Yeah, you found. You
Yeah,
found
I
it.
won.
Mhm.
But not only things, but the legacy something. Remember, is something is good,
Mhm.
but legacy for the people is we find. I in my mind find
Mhm.
there is something bad thing.
Mhm.
You know, is guys tambunan.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah, that's right. Who is doesn't know is guys tambunan.
Uh-huh.
The
Uh-huh.
best is corruption for Indonesian.
But that is not legacy. Legacy we are just talking about the good things, right? Not bad things. That is not legacy.
I said not only good things but bad things. It will be legacy for the people.
That is not
Thank
legacy.
you.
Okay, thank you. What about you, Brian? Could you offer your thing? What do you think about our topic this evening?
Yeah.
Life is a legacy.
Yeah. Our topic for tonight is nice to discuss
Mhm.
because
Yeah.
we talk about the legacy,
Mhm.
uh, and I and I think legacy is what we are create
Mhm.
in the past
Yeah.
uh, that will be memorized
Mhm.
until we die. Yes,
Wow. Wow. So this is the existence of
legacy.
creature of
Yeah,
the
creature.
peoples, yeah,
Yeah,
as a subject, yeah, right, can remember, peoples can remember until memorize
yeah. Until
until
memorized until
the
they die.
yeah,
Yeah,
of course. Wow, this is a very, we can underline
yeah.
until
Until die.
die. Oh my God, forever.
Forever.
Yeah. So do you have a like figure that that figure put a legacy in his or her life?
Oh, okay. There is an artist.
Mm-hmm. Who?
Uh,
Is she or he?
he,
Uh-huh.
his name is, yeah, everyone know Olga Syaputra.
Okay.
Yes.
What his legacy?
The legacy is his attitude.
Okay.
Yeah. He don't create like uh, the thing that we have to memorize, but
Mm-hmm.
his attitude until he die
Yes.
will be memorized.
Because maybe he always helping people,
Yeah, helping
right?
people,
The poor man, the
the
poor
poor
peoples.
man, and also there is how to say, there is an artist that uh, how to say, being success by him.
Okay. I mean, he has
Yeah,
contribute
contribute
to another
that
people
in another people to
to.
be an artist
Okay. Like.
like Ayu Ting Ting,
I don't think Tara
Tara
Budiman.
Budiman, Nikita Mirzani.
Nikita Mirzani,
Yes,
many more,
many.
many more. Okay.
I like Nikita Mazani.
Okay. Forget it. What about you, Eddie? Do you have a feature? Do you have a feature that they create legacy, not only career but legacy?
Oh well, I think it's my mom, cause you know she died when she died in 2014, and before she died I really said to her, like, even the day before she died, like,
Yeah, yeah.
I wanted to learn English, and she was known for, she was like the one who can speak English in my family,
Ah,
and
really? Wow.
yeah. So sometimes when we went to Losari Beach,
Mhm.
we would bump into a lot of tourists, and she would be like the translator, or even, yeah, she was a civil, how to say it again, PNS, civil,
Civil servant.
yeah, civil servant.
Yes.
She was a civil servant, and whenever there was a tourist coming to the work office, she would be the one who speaks English. Yeah, because she was
Wow.
the only one who could speak English,
Oh, wow.
and I'm here to continue her
Very
legacy.
generous,
Yeah.
generosity, right?
Yes.
Ah,
exactly.
wow. It's good point.
Yes.
Yeah.
I hope so.
What about you, Samantha? Sam, do you have a figure, special figure that they or she or he creates a legacy in their life?
Yeah, sure. I have one. Um, do you know? Have you heard the name Faye Simanjuntak?
Ah, okay.
So I think she is in my age. She is actually an activist, but not many people know about it. She is a founder of Rumah Faye, and also
Rumah?
Rumah Faye.
Faye.
So Rumah Faye works
Could you
in
spelling Faye? Faye.
Faye.
Oh, Faye.
Faye.
Ah, okay.
Mm.
Okay.
So she works. Rumah Faye works on to to protect the children from the human trafficking and also the sexual harassment. So I think the thing that she have done, has a lot of, it's amazing thing that we stay in everyone's heart, and also
Yeah.
for especially for the kids in Indonesia,
Yeah.
because she protect by creating like the rumah aman. So this is like a safe place, safe home for the victim of the kids who have been like trafficked, who have been like sold.
You know, Simanjuntak, even she is not famous, but she is recognized of a universe.
Yeah, your new universe.
That is the important. That
Yep.
include also legacy,
Ah.
because a universe recognize her.
Yeah. Also, I sometimes like how to say, like, not many people know her
Yeah,
work,
yeah.
but the other country, the other
Abroad
country,
country.
recognize
Ah,
figure
okay.
things that
Wow.
what we have done, because she listed on 30 Forbes under 30. So she is this one who is, she is the influence. She influenced everything, and also she have done like a TED talks. So I think she is very amazing person, and also role model for me. And I hope so that
Wanna be.
sometime, yeah, I want to be someone who have something to help others, and to be to create a thing that will be legalized, and it will be stay forever in every human's heart. I think.
Okay, thank you, Samantha. Nice. What about you? Do you still have another figure that they create legacy, she or he?
Yeah, I have. There
Who?
is one group.
Who?
This is Dono Casino Indro.
Ah, okay. Could you explain to smart viewers and listeners?
Yeah, you know what?
I know your generation. You're getting old already. Okay.
We can ask for some other people who doesn't know about Dono Casino Indro, Warkop DKI.
DKI.
Yeah.
Do not say DKI, no. DKI. Yeah, DKI.
Yeah, this is the from I mean the apa? The artist and the comedian.
Yeah.
That is the and comedian will be something like following by the art.
Yeah. Real comedian.
Yeah, the comedian.
Real.
And the art by the comedian, this is will be memories all the people until now. We find it the adaptation from DKI.
Like maju kena mundur kena,
Yeah, that's
something
right.
like that, yeah.
You know what? That's why I say Dono Casino Indro and Warkop DKI is illegal sih, because you know what? Don't look by the comedian, but look who is the play. Dono, that is the man is have. I mean.
He is a doctor.
Yeah,
doctor. Dono, doctor.
Doctor.
Yeah.
And Casino, this is the best one.
Yeah.
No, until engineer, but something magister. And the last is Indro until now. We know before DKI, Barkop DKI is.
And we can underline them that they are a legend, right?
Yeah.
They are a legend.
Real legend. But you know, who is the last from now until now is still alive is Indro.
Indro Warkop, yeah.
Yeah. The creator by Warkop DKI. And that is the life is really hard from start from to be the comedian until now. We always find
Make survive, you mean?
Yeah, make survive. Until now, we always showing in television in by what is stand-up comedy.
Yeah. The judge. Judges. Yeah. Okay. Thank you. So legacy is not only the how they create something, but how they survive, right? Forever. Okay. What about you, Richard? Do you still have a future edition about legacy? Who are they? He or she or non-binary? Oh no, sorry. It's
no.
kidding. Only she or he. Which one?
Well, I will talk it about later. I will talk it about later.
Who?
But first, no, wait. Honestly, most of people who have legacy in the past, their name started from M. You know?
Oh, okay. M.
Yeah, like Michael Jackson, Michael Jordan, Messi, Maradona, Madonna,
Mickey Mouse.
No, Mickey Mouse is a cartoon, man.
Okay,
Well,
continue.
Okay, thank you so much.
Okay, that's a brilliant, because he got that the mind peoples in around the world that Michael legacy is the M. Wow.
Most of them.
Wow. It's a brilliant and cool.
I don't know.
You have a futuristic mind.
Perhaps
Okay.
probably we could give our child started from M. Mia, do you know Mia?
Yeah, I know.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, but
It's my girlfriend, Mia.
I guess the second one, the second figure that I like that have this great legacy, I guess, is still an athlete.
Who?
Okay. Do you know Ronaldinho?
Ronaldinho. Yeah.
Everyone knows it. Yeah.
But this is not M. Okay, continue. It doesn't
Okay.
matter.
Yeah,
Still the same issue.
You know, he came from a big city. I know it's a big city, but it's not. It's still the developing country. But started from his country and his career.
Yeah.
He become the superstar. Not just superstar. Do you know mega superstar on football association? And then I'm so be grateful that I can saw him play on the TV.
It might
TV,
assume I feel so grateful because I meet him. Amazing. But okay, we will continue our discussion. This is a very interesting about life of legacy, but don't go anywhere. Stay tuned on Smartfm 101.1, the spirit of Indonesia.